Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone 16 Pro or the 16 Pro Max having video sound recording issues where you might record a video and there's no sound. You want to follow this to fix that issue. So what you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone, and then you're going to go ahead into the camera setting right here. And right there's a new setting that's called record sound. So if I click on that, right, this one is either going to be selected to spatial or another option. The option that you want to set is try stereo. So once you use stereo, you should see that now the videos that you record will not have that sound issue where you're not getting sound or sound isn't, seems like there's no sound on it. The spatial audio is a new feature on the newer iPhone 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max to allow you to do 3D audio format, and that doesn't really work out really well. So you want to just switch over to stereo, and you can always switch to spatial in the future. But that's how you can fix this issue if you're having any video recording problems on your iPhone 16 Pro or the 16 Pro Max. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.